Okay, is this thing on? Fran?
The cat's making biscuits on my leg.
Making biscuits? What's he doing? Pooping?
Making biscuits.
Oh, he's...
Pooping?
Well,
No, she would never do such a thing.
I didn't know what a biscuit was.
She's got a collar of pearls, for God's sake.
No one tells me what a biscuit is anymore. I know I'm in the South right now, but biscuits, come on. What's a grit? I haven't even heard of a grit. How do you eat it? How do you cook a grit?
I never seen a grit in my life.
Whatever. Anyway, how you doing?
Fran and Lou.
Fran and Lou here. Fans.
With Miss P, too.
With Miss P. Miss P's doing alright. She's got her pearls on and she's just chilling making
biscuits.
Biscuits. Anyway, it's been a long time since we've seen you last, so we figured we'd make you a video. We haven't given you anything new or original in a long time, so we figured we'd give you something old. / something you've heard before.
/ something you can sing along to.
Yeah, so it'll be all this nice music that, well, not just old, really. We got some new stuff in there, too. So it's for all...
mixture of stuff.
Yeah, all ages. All ages. Anyway.
Young, old, fat, small, cat, dog, bird.
Reptile.
Lizard.
Fish. Lizard is a reptile.
Okay.
Beat you.
Flounder is a fish.
I didn't say flounder. I said
I
fish.
didn't.
Fran, you're killing me. Fran, you're killing me, Fran.